NBA's Kennel, back with another video. Just getting back to the city, to the bitty, back to the crib. And I ain't talking MIA or Florida. I mean, I'm talking Florida though, but bro. But yeah, just got home. It's been raining a lot once again, like always. Bipolar as weather in Florida though. We used to it. But I'm finna try to get a little raw feed in. I got these leg quarters I had in the freezer. I just thawed them out like yesterday. I gave them today. Keep these videos going. You already know it. So when we putting in that work, well, I'm putting in that work. Just got off of work. Just walked through the door, walked them. I was like, let me get right. Stop, get down, boy. I just marinated that thing in some coconut oil. I got, that pour over, and I put some Dawn on it. Just a little snack, just to feed them something, you know. Y'all see the puppy set up. It's getting there. Everything coming in. Chill. Y'all can see they hungry. They want it. I'm gonna try to see how this work. Only got one hand. I should have brought the tripod out. Stop. But we gonna see. Hey, down. Stop it. Y'all acting a fool. Hey, stop. Whew. Here, Chip. Puma. Puma. No. Here. Just getting one. Who y'all think gonna finish first? Oh no, it's hard. How long y'all think it's gonna take to finish? So many questions. I want to do it in the house, but y'all can see this. Oh, I need a, what's it called? An air purifier. Filter that air out. Good boy. See, Puma, we gotta calm her down. Y'all seen she was willing to steal some food if she wasn't finna get none. Green as fuck. Ooh. Mama. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Nah, I ain't know she get down like that. That's a leg quarter, y'all. I gave Tarzan the biggest one though. Damn. What the freak? Some real bulls. Yeah, slow down. It ain't no way she did that. He last? Puma first? The last one? No, Puma, yeah. Get your ass right. Good boy, Tarzan. Teach us. This is a little tank. This is a brick house. That's what I call all my little bitches. Brick houses. That's a brick house. She's a brick house. Look at her. Good girl. Damn. They want more. Tarzan's struggling. What, he got grandpa teeth? See, Cheetah know not to mess with him. Ain't nothing in there. Come on, Tarzan. We ain't even trying to make it that long. Damn. I guess it's leg quarters for now on. Cause they love them. Ooh, look at them nipples. It's dropping. They hanging now. I got some milk in there. Good colostrum. Good something. But yeah, that was the raw feed, y'all. Had to get it in. You know. We turning grind into shine, man. That's all we doing. That's all we doing. Y'all stay loyal, stay positive out here, man. NBH Kennels, not your boy Hustler Kennels. Y'all know how I rock. Fuck with me, don't fuck without me. Hustle with me, don't hustle without me.